Welcome to Mini Orange. In this video, we will show you how to configure OAuth single sign-on into Joomla with Entra ID. First, download and install the Joomla OAuth client extension from the extension marketplace. Now, under Components, click on Mini Orange OAuth client and then click on Configure OAuth. Here, click on the Add button and select Azure AD. Enter the app name and copy the callback URL. Now go to the Azure dashboard and click on Entra ID. Then click on the Add button and select App Registration. Here, enter the app name, and in the drop-down menu, select Web, and then paste the callback URL in the given field. Then click on Register. Now, copy the client ID and tenant ID. Go back to the Configure OAuth tab. Here, paste the client ID and tenant ID in the respective fields. Now, in the Azure dashboard, click on Certificates and Secrets. Then, click on New Client Secret. Enter the description and click on the Add button. Then, copy the secret value. Go back to the Configure OAuth tab and paste the secret value in the given field. Now, scroll down and make sure that Set Client Credentials is enabled for both header and body, and then save the configuration. Then finally, click on the Test Configuration button. We will see a Test Successful window if the configuration is done correctly. Enjoy a 7-day free trial and experience all our premium features. Reach out to us at Joomla support at securify.com. Thank you for watching. Please visit us at plugins.miniorange.com/Joomla to learn more about our products.